All right, so we're criminals, aren't we?
Criminals, yes.
We're criminals. We're walking, trespassing along the railroad tracks here to get to Mossbrae Falls. I've never been to Mossbrae Falls. Have you ever been to Mossbrae Falls?
No, not even close.
We saw other people already walking down here, so we're gonna be co-conspirators. Coming. You want to go down and see the falls?
Yes.
All right, follow me. All right, the one thing I was going to say is that these Mossbrae Falls are much more spectacular than what I imagined. I mean, just coming out of the boss and the side of the hill, man, what a beautiful place. A lot of people down here today, and I can see why. I've heard about this place for a long time, but I never, it's my first time here. About a mile and 1.3 miles to hiking here along the railroad tracks. Absolutely gorgeous. Hey, my dear, you know what that waterfall did for me?
What?
It does my soul well. Come on. We can't remember that.